Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty meets truth. Today, we're diving into a mascara that promises to give you bold, wide-eyed volume with just one stroke. It's the Rimmel Scandaleyes Retro Glam Mascara Redesign Extreme Black, and it comes in a pack of 2. If you're tired of mascaras that clump or don't live up to their claims, this could be the game changer you're looking for. But before we get into all the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a review like this. The Rimmel Scandaleyes Retro Glam Mascara is designed to give you that dramatic false lash look without the hassle of actual false lashes. With its exclusive hourglass-shaped brush, this mascara is specifically engineered to fan your lashes out, plumping them and creating that bold, wide-eyed effect. What sets it apart from others is the ability to coat each lash individually, which helps avoid any clumps, giving you a smooth and voluminous finish with just a single swipe. The mascara is formulated to last, ensuring you look fabulous all day, and of course, it's in the boldest extreme black shade for maximum impact. So how did this mascara perform in real-world use? I tested it throughout my daily routine, applying it in the morning and checking back in the evening to see how it held up. Right off the bat, the hourglass-shaped brush was a standout. The design really did help separate and fan out my lashes, creating the voluminous effect without clumping. It went on smoothly, and I could feel each lash being coated individually, which I absolutely loved. I wore it through an entire day of work, and I didn't notice any smudging or flaking. Big plus there. However, one thing I noticed is that it does take a bit of finesse to get the volume just right. A second coat definitely amps up the drama, but if you're in a rush, the first swipe still gives a nice lift without the need for multiple layers. On the downside, the brush can be a little tricky to use if you have smaller eyes, so precision may take a bit of practice. Let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, this mascara delivers what it promises: bold volume without clumping, long-lasting wear, and a dramatic effect. The hourglass brush design really helps to separate and lift lashes, and the black pigment is rich and deep, creating that false lash effect that's hard to ignore. But on the flip side, while the brush works well for most lash types, it could be a bit large for those with shorter or more delicate lashes. The texture is thick, so it may take a few tries to perfect your application. Additionally, the mascara isn't waterproof, which might be a downside for some if you're looking for something more sweat or water resistant. Now, let's talk value for money. At 0.41 FLOts per tube and with 2 tubes in each pack, you're definitely getting a lot of product for your money. For the price point, I'd say it's a solid value, especially considering how well it performs in delivering volume and length. It's certainly more affordable than high-end mascaras while offering comparable results. When compared to other mascaras, especially in the drugstore category, this one holds its own. If you're looking for a bold lash look without breaking the bank, this is a fantastic option. While there are other volumizing mascaras out there, like Maybelline's The Falsies or L'Oreal's Voluminous, this one stands out because of its unique brush shape and the way it coats lashes for that wide-eyed effect. In terms of build quality and longevity, the mascara tube itself feels sturdy, and the brush is well designed for even coverage. The mascara lasts throughout the day, so there's no need for touch-ups, which is a huge plus. If you've ever had trouble with mascaras that just don't live up to the hype, then this one might be worth trying. If you've used mascaras from Rimmel in the past, you already know they deliver on their promises, and this one is no exception. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it, the link to purchase is in the comments. As for customer service, I didn't have to reach out to Rimmel directly for this product, but the brand is generally known for responsive support when needed. I've had positive interactions with them in the past, so I have no doubt they would be quick to help should any issues arise with your product. If you're on the hunt for similar mascaras, but want something a bit more budget-friendly, you could try Maybelline's Lash Sensational or CoverGirl Lash Blast. Both provide good volume and separation for a similar price, though I find the Rimmel Scandaleyes Retro Glam Mascara to be a bit more dramatic. To sum it all up, the Rimmel Scandaleyes Retro Glam Mascara delivers a bold, voluminous lash look. It's easy to use, and it provides great value for the price. Its unique hourglass brush design sets it apart from other mascaras in the same category. I'd recommend it to anyone looking for that wide-eyed, false lash effect without the clumping. Thanks for tuning in. If you've used this mascara, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out.